Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create first asset for SelfCAD. We can create a 3D door. We can use this 3D sketch and then you can change into top view. In here we can change into precision settings and then you can activate a minimum angle step. I will use a rectangle object. We can create a stuff from this point and then I will move to the top with length about 200. You can move to direct here with length 90. You can click. The next we can close and then I will use a fill polygon to convert into surface. And then you can use extrusion command to extrude these objects. And I will change for amount in here into 15. You also can uncheck this individual option. Next we can click OK. I will click this polygon option and then you can select this face and then you also can select in here. You can press delete button to delete this two face. You can click yes. The next we can convert this surface into 3D models. You can use this add thickness option. In here we can set for thickness into -5. Okay, you can click for view. Okay, this is for -5. And then you can click OK to apply this add thickness. The next we can draw a rectangle again. You can click this 3D sketch. And in here I will use this option rectangle sketch. And I will uncheck this minimum angle step. We can draw stuff from this point and then I will move into this point. The next you can move into this point. Okay, we can use fill polygon again to convert into surface. And then I will use extrusion. We can extrude these objects. With amount in here I will set into 5. Okay, this is for 5 and I will uncheck for individuals. The next we can use a fill polygon again to fill this hole. Okay, you can click tools and then click fill polygons and will be applied at this space. You can select this to sketch and then you can press delete button. Click yes to delete. The next I will select these objects and then you can use move tools. You can click here move. If you can move in a green axis, I will move to the bottom here. And the next I will change into top view. In here I will use a polygon option. Okay, you can select these objects and we use a polygon option. Select at this face. And then in here I will use insert option. We can insert with amount 5. Okay, this is about amount 5 and you can click OK to apply. The next I will use extrusion command to extrude at this face. You can click this extrusion and then I will extrude, move to the bottom here. We can set in here into -2. Click OK. Okay, this extrusion -2. You also can select at this face and then we can use insert again with amount 5. The next we can use extrusion. We set -2 and you can click OK to apply. So we are ready extrude in this face, also in this face. You can uncheck this polygon option. The next I will change into top view and then I will draw with a 3D sketch. You can click this rectangle option and then I will draw in here. Okay, I will click at this point and then move into here. Next we move to the bottom here. Okay, we can use fill polygons. And the next we can use extrusion command. I will extrude in here into 2. Okay, this is for 2 or I will set into 1. You can uncheck these individuals. Okay, the next we can use the fill polygons again. I will create again rectangle object at this face. You can click 3D sketch and then we can use rectangle option. I will change into top view, and then I will use this option, and then we can draw stuff from this point. Okay, I will active this minimum angle step, and then I will move to the right. Next we can move to the bottom here. You can use fill polygons, and next in here I will use extrusion command. Okay, you can zoom out. Next zoom in, we can use extrusion. I will extrude with amount about 3 unchecked individuals. Okay, I will set in here 2, and you can click OK. The next we can use fill polygons. We draw again with 3D SCAD, and then you can use this option rectangle, and I will draw stuff from this point. You can move into this point. The next we can move to the bottom here. Okay, you can use fill polygons. We can use extrusion command. The next I will extrude with minus in here. You can move to this point. Okay, I will set into minus 10. This for minus 10. We set again about minus 30. Okay, this minus 30 too long. I will set into minus 15. We set again into minus 5. Okay, this is enough for minus 5. We can click these unchecked individuals and click OK. We can use fill polygons again in here. Yes. Now we can select this all objects. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, the next these objects 3, and then 4. We select these 4 objects. Okay, you can see in here 4 objects, and then you can use a state and scope. We can use this union option to combine these all objects. You can click OK to combine. So these all objects already combined. I will select this all profiles, and then we can delete. You can click yes to delete. The next I will select these 2 objects, and then we can use rotate command. You can click here rotate. We can rotate in right axis. I will set into 270 degree, and then we can rotate again. You can only select this object, unions objects, and I will use manual gizmo settings. We can set in here origins into left, and then I will rotate in green axis. Can rotate into this point 315 degree. Okay, now in here we already create simple 3D models door for asset SelfCAD. You also can combine these 2 objects. You can click in here. The next we can use state and scope, and then you can click union to combine. You can click OK to apply. You can select these objects. The next we can click files, and then we can click save objects. Okay, the object already stored in load objects. You can see in here this object folder. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create first asset for SelfCAD. We create a 3D door. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.